Welcome to today's Granada Houses video. We're here in the town of Iora in the province of Granada to show you this townhouse for reform. It has amazingly high ceilings and there could be some wonderful possibilities here. So we look up and we think the ceilings are around 4 meters high. It's a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom property. So you can see there was a large hallway, and then we have this room here to the left, where we think you can take down this wall and possibly parts of this wall here. Of course, you will need to get an architect involved to make sure that those things are possible. And then as we come through, there's another room here at the back, which would have been the dining room, and then a very simple kitchen. And this wall can very easily come out, we think. There's not a great deal of outside space here. We have this little patio because part of the patio is being used currently as the bathroom. So going through this section, this little bit under the stairs, here is the bathroom, and you can see that things do need to be reformed. There's a few issues with damp that need to be addressed, and you probably would want to do something much nicer with this. The ceiling here is asbestos on top, of course, not this part that you can see in the video, but you will need to make some changes to that. But if you were to get rid of this bathroom, then you would have obviously a little more outside space. Now, upstairs is a very typical arrangement in houses like this, where you have room off another room. So this staircase was probably done in the 60s, looking at the tiling. It's got a hugely high ceiling here, so lots and lots of light. And then as we get to the top, it's actually quite a surprise that this house is only 2-storey. It feels like it should be 3. So at the very top of the stairs, we have just a loo. Unfortunately, not enough room in that space to make it into a full bathroom. And then this is the bedroom at the rear of the property. And then down there is the outside space. And through here is the final 2 bedrooms. These are the street side. This wall could come down. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, click like and share, and leave your comments in the section below. If you'd like to come and see this property, please do request that either in the comment section or by calling us or WhatsApping us. Don't forget to check out the website as well, granadahouses.es. So you have possibilities here. The good thing with this house is it's walking distance to all amenities. Parking would be a little bit further down the street. There's some parking on the street here, but you'd have to go a little bit further up from this house. Granada City would be around 35 minutes or so. Malaga Airport about 1 hour and 20 minutes. And the best thing with the house is that you would have a great sense of space once you've made some changes, and you would be walking distance to all amenities. So we hope you've enjoyed this video, and we look forward to showing you around this house and to see what possibilities you would have here in the town of Iora. Thank you for watching.